In this video, we're checking out the Realme 8i. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to Lazada's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. Today's video brings us another Realme 8 series phone. This is the Realme 8i. We're looking at this phone's highlights to see just what this thing can offer. So I've obviously already unboxed this phone, but if you're curious to see what was in the box with this, I posted it on my TikTok. I'll link it down below. Right, let's talk about looks first. So this thing has a really shiny back, and there's something really cool about the way the light hits the back of the phone. I know I say that a lot about a lot of shiny phones, but this has some sort of this curved lighting situation going on here. And it is nice and shiny, so that also means it can get smudgy, but you also have a case that comes in the box so that your phone is always protected. So at the back, we have those 3 cameras and a flash, and there is a teeny camera box. That's an unlock button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner. At the bottom, you have speakers, the USB-C port, and an audio jack. Great news for people who still prefer wired listening. On the other side, you have volume buttons, and those are 3 slots. So 2 slots for a SIM and an extra slot for a micro SD card so that you can expand your storage. Up front is a 120Hz display, which is great news for people who love their screen response fast and snappy. And this is how your shows will look and sound on this phone.
Check out the Realme GT Explorer Master Edition. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to Lazada's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. And in the meantime, a montage.
This thing is powered by a MediaTek Helio G96 processor, and it runs on the Realme UI 2.0. If you're curious, this is what that all looks like. If you've used a Realme phone before, you'll be pretty familiar with the setup. And just so you have a preview of what your games will look like on this phone, here are some gaming playthroughs.
Defend the mark.
This phone wraps a couple of cameras, a 50-megapixel main shooter. You have a 2-megapixel black and white shooter and a 2-megapixel macro shooter on the back. Up front is a 16-megapixel selfie camera. Here are some sample photos and videos. Right now, I'm shooting with the front-facing cameras of the Realme 8i. This is 1080p. And now this is the rear camera, so this can also shoot in 1080p. This is 1x, and we can do up until 1X. Back to 1X. This phone reps 5,000 milliamp hour battery, which basically should last you a day and more. It can do 18 watts fast charging, and Realme claims that it only takes 36 minutes to reach 50% battery capacity. Of course, like you saw, I've only just unboxed this phone, so I haven't been able to fully test this out, but let me know if you want to see a separate video on this. Right, that was our look at the Realme 8i. All details on pricing and availability I linked down in the description box below. Let me know what you guys think about this phone. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, you can find me online. That's isa_does_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time.